Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video of SNRFX. So as you guys can clearly see that we are on a monthly time frame of the US dollar index. So first things first, we are going to mark our support uh that was respected multiple times by the US dollar index. So now that we have marked our support, we are going to mark another support that was flipped into a resistance by the US dollar index after it failed to a respect setup but decided to break out and then give a retest to the um uh, 100.434. Okay, so now that we have identified our support and resistance or resistant, we are going to dive deeper into a smaller time frame so that we can get the clear picture of what the markets are doing, or of what the markets are telling us to do. So um should the price break above the 100.3434, then I will start to be bullish on the dollar pairs. Should the price break above this zone right over here, then I will start to be bullish on the DXY and US dollar pairs. So now that we have not yet broken out of the 100.434, I will still be bearish on the US index and the US dollar pairs. So what is my next go-to? So as we can clearly see that the 100.434 zone was once a support that was later flipped into a resistance by the DXY. Then I'll go to a daily time frame so that I can get a more clear picture of what is occurring on the US dollar index. I am so sorry. Please forgive my network. I don't know what's happening today with MTN, but for now I'll just pause the video and then proceed after the network comes back. Okay, so guys, we are now on a daily time frame. So let us do some quick analysis on the daily time frame though, so that we can also see what the daily time frame is telling us what to do. So as you guys can clearly see that the DXY from the 99.012 zone, the DXY has been respecting this zone for multiple times and months. So now that we have marked our support that was later flipped into a support and a resistance for multiple times, which means that it has been respected for multiple times. So now that we have marked it, we are going to dive deeper into a smaller time frame so that we can see what the DXY is telling us to do. So as you guys can see that the 99.012 zone has been respected multiple times by the price, with this being our first touch, with this being our second touch, with this being our third touch, our third touch, so sorry, with this being our third touch right over here, with this being our fourth touch right over here, with this being our fifth touch right over here, with this being our sixth touch. You see, seventh touch, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, and this is the 12th time the price is coming back to this zone. So you guys can clearly see that this zone does hold the price. So what is my next prediction on the US dollar index? So I personally right now will sell the US dollar index, and then from there put my stop loss just above this 99.625 zone, and then go all the way down with the US dollar index. It's like swinging. I'm swinging this trade right now. So should the price respect the setup, that will be dope, dope, dope. But should the price not respect setup, we will wait for better opportunities. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next one.